In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to categorize transactions in your banking application efficiently and effectively. Managing your finances and keeping track of your spending is an essential skill that helps maintain control over your budget. By the end of this video, you'll be familiar with the simple yet powerful process of categorizing transactions, which will give you better insights into your spending habits and allow you to make informed financial decisions. Let's get started. To begin, you'll want to access your banking platform. Start by logging into your online banking account or opening the banking app on your device. Once you're in, navigate to the section labeled Banking or something equivalent depending on the terminology used by your bank. This is generally where you can view all your transactions and account details. Now, as you find yourself on the banking page, take a moment to locate the list of your recent transactions. This list is typically presented in chronological order, showing the date, description, and amount debited or credited to your account. It's the cornerstone of understanding where your money is going and coming from. Select a transaction that you'd like to categorize. This could be a purchase you've made recently or any expenditure that you want to track deliberately. Once you've selected a transaction, the next step is to assign a category to it. Most banking apps offer a category drop-down menu to make this process seamless. It's important to choose a category that accurately reflects the nature of the transaction. For instance, if it's a grocery run, you'd want to choose a category like groceries or something similar. For utility bills, look for a utilities category, and so on. Keeping your categories consistent is key to generating meaningful reports and insights into your spending patterns. After selecting the appropriate category, you'll want to save your changes. Look for a Save button, which is usually located at the bottom or top of your transaction details page. By clicking this button, you'll ensure that your changes are recorded and the transaction is filed under the chosen category. Saving your work may seem like a small step, but it's crucial for maintaining an organized account of your financial transactions. Reviewing categorized transactions periodically aids in budgeting for upcoming months or assessing areas where you might cut back. Many banking platforms also allow you to view reports or summaries based on these categories, helping you visualize your financial habits over weeks, months, or even years. And that's it. By following these steps, you're not only categorizing transactions, but also taking a proactive approach to financial management. This simple yet effective practice can significantly impact how you view and manage your finances. Thank you for joining me today, and here's to a well-organized financial future.